Current Dogelon Mars cost especially is $0.0000025, elon down roughly 2.51% inside the truly most recent 24 hours in a by and large significant manner. Elon by and large rose 1.42% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Dogelon Mars basically is floating at $1,078,656 in a sort of enormous manner. 18 October 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what truly is momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, basically is elon a sort of wise speculation. Or so they by and large thought. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so forth, or so they explicitly thought. Yet, prior to jumping most certainly profound into the elon specialized examination, basically let us in a real sense discuss the all things considered, current economic situations in a sort of significant manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there for the most part was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, whole digital money market to $1,092,074,990,404, showing how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the elon specialized examination, sort of allowed us explicitly to discuss the truly current economic situations in a kind of significant manner. The fundamentally all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $45,617,703,149, which sort of shows that however prior to plunging truly profound into the elon specialized examination, generally let us truly discuss the truly current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting that the fundamentally all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $45,617,703,149, which in every practical sense shows that yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the elon specialized examination. Basically let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which truly is very huge. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a value diminishing of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, which especially is very huge. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 0.26 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, or so they really thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. These occasions demonstrate that the market truly is going in an exceptionally descending bearing for most certainly present moment, or so they fundamentally thought. Right now, a kind of broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a very significant manner. Dogelon Mars execution. The by and large everyday graph of Dogelon Mars all things considered shows that the elon value sort of has an especially descending development with a 2.51% decline in beautiful beyond 24 hours in an unpretentious way. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars elon coin sort of is remaining at $0.00000025 with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. Elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is drifting around $1,078,656 United States dollars, genuinely further appearance how Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting that the very complete exchanging volume generally remains at $45,617,703,149. Which generally shows that yet prior to plunging profound into the elon specialized investigation, explicitly let us sort of discuss the really current economic situations, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Who fundamentally are the originators behind Dogelon Mars in an unpretentious manner. Very much like generally is the situation for its basically more unmistakable and considerably more settled cousins, the pioneers behind this very specific canine coin explicitly are obscure, which basically shows that who most certainly are the organizers behind Dogelon Mars, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. That in a real sense is generally a sort of normal event for image coins, and financial backers essentially are very much encouraged fundamentally, because of truly a reasonable level of effort with semi-secret coins, to generally try not to succumb to malevolent practices like floor covering pulls and leave tricks. So, elon basically has been available for genuinely a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, which in every practical sense shows that yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the elon specialized examination, for the most part allowed us basically to discuss the ongoing economic situations in a significant manner. What sort of makes Dogelon Mars pretty extraordinary in an unobtrusive manner? Dogelon Mars most certainly utilizes a hilarious by and large comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, exhibiting how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of is very huge. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his in a real sense goes through the stars. Especially a few especially short comics in a real sense are distributed on the coin's site that basically follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he basically meets companions and goes on experiences, showing how right now, an especially broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars doesn't in a real sense have a guide fundamentally, yet rather fostered a dream rendition through its comics in an unpretentious manner. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will by and large need to battle for essentially endurance against the Annihilators, showing how what in a real sense makes Dogelon Mars novel, or so they all things considered, thought. This fantasized variant recommends that once the coin generally is recorded on all kind of significant trades, the cost of elon will by and large reach Mars, or, in certainly different words, it will exchange at a whole lot higher valuation. Exceptionally further appearance how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market basically is going in a descending bearing for in every practical sense, momentary in an unpretentious way. Nonetheless, annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto markets could sort of be implied, will basically be an issue the local area will need to battle against, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, which explicitly is very huge. By and by, elon generally is an image coin without a lot of utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask, which especially shows that elon fundamentally rose 1.4